Welcome back to Safe Decode. Your smoke alarms are working and your extinguishers are charged, but none of that matters if you can't get out. When a fire breaks out, you typically have less than 3 minutes to escape safely, and without a plan, panic takes over. Today, we are creating the most critical protocol your family will ever use, the Home Fire Escape Plan. This isn't just a suggestion, it is a necessity, and it has 3 essential phases. Phase 1 is mapping en routes. Grab a piece of paper and draw a simple map of every level of your home. For every single room, especially bedrooms, you must identify 2 ways out, usually a door and a window. Now, here is a critical detail. The primary escape route should always be the door, but if the door is hot or blocked by smoke, the window becomes your secondary path. For windows, ensure they open easily and that you have a safe way to reach the ground, such as a fire escape ladder for upper floors. Next, on that same map, choose a designated outside meeting spot. This spot should be far enough away from the home, like a neighbor's driveway or a specific tree, where everyone knows to gather immediately. This is the only way emergency services can quickly confirm everyone is accounted for. Phase 2 is the rule of low. This phase is about the immediate, correct reaction. Your alarm sounds, what do? Everyone must immediately get low and go. Smoke and toxic gases rise, making the air cleanest near the floor. Crawl quickly beneath the smoke to your nearest exit. Teach children the absolute non-negotiable rule. Once you are out, stay out. Never, under any circumstances, go back inside for people, pets, or possessions. If someone is missing, tell the firefighters immediately. Phase 3 is practice and maintenance. A plan only works if it's second nature. You must practice your plan at least twice a year. Once during the day and once at night when everyone is asleep. Practice crawling low. Practice checking doors for heat using the back of your hand. And time how long it takes to reach that outside meeting spot. A crucial, safe decode reminder. Remap and re-practice the plan every time you rearrange furniture, especially in bedrooms or if you have any changes to the family structure or living arrangements. This plan is your ultimate insurance policy. By dedicating time to map, designate, and practice your escape routes, you replace panic with protocol, giving your family the precious seconds they need to survive. Thank you for learning this critical protocol with Safe Decode. If this information helps secure your home, please hit like and subscribe. It helps us share these life-saving plans globally.